Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic question for you. Here you have ClF5. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. Here to find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is V plus B minus C by 2. Here chlorine valency is 7, bonded atom is 5. So if you substitute in the formula, which is 7 plus 5 by 2, which is 12 by 2, which is 6, and lone pair will be 6 minus 5 equals 1. H6 mean octahedral structure. With lone pair it becomes square pyramidal. So if you draw the structure with one lone pair, octahedral geometry anywhere is same. So lone pair at the axial position, you have square pyramidal structure. So the shape of chlorine pentafluoride is square pyramidal and hybridization is sp3d2. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.